how to create a map on Google Maps. So if you want to create a map on your Google Map, then first you can open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can go for the new tab. And once you open up your browser, you can simply go for the search and you can search for maps.google.com. And once you've searched, it will take you to your Google Maps, right? So here you can go for the upper left, which has that three bat icon. Click on that, and then you can go for saved. And once you click on saved, here on the right side you will have maps option. Click on maps, and here you will have all of your maps, right? So if you want to create a map, then you can simply go for the bottom, which has create map option. Click on create map, and here you can simply choose the location. So you can zoom in, and then you can simply choose a location. And here on the upper side, you will have draw a line option. Click on draw a line, and then you can add a line. So from here, you can simply select the region that you would like to add to your map. And once you've selected, now here you can simply give a name to that. So I'll be choosing a name, and then click on save, and that's how you save your map. And now what you can do is you can simply select the kilometers, and now what you can do is you can simply style your map. So you can click on style, and then you can change the color, and then you can also go for the pencil shaped icon, which is edit icon, so that you can edit the name, and you can again save that. And you can go for camera, and you can add some images or some videos, or you can delete the place. So you can edit all of that from here. And here you can go for add marker, and then you can add some marker to it. And you can go for draw a line again, so that you can add an extension. And you can go for add direction, so that you can add some directions to it. Or you can also go for measure distances and areas, so that you can have the distance measurement of this particular area. So you can have this knowledge about the distance. So you can simply select a place and click on that, and then you will have the distance. And that's it. That's how you add a map. And now you can share this map with anyone. So you can simply go for share, which is here on the left side. Click on share, and then you can give a name to that. And you can also add a description to help people understand your map. So you can simply add any description that you are comfortable with, and then you can go for OK. And here you need to simply toggle on the first option, which is anyone with this link can view. And after that, here you will have this link. You can simply copy the link, and you can also share that on your drive, or you can close that, and then you can simply paste that link with any one of your friends chat or your family members chat. And if that person opens the link, then they will be guided to that particular area that you have just created. So that's how you create a map on Google Maps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.